Hello, welcome to a Maths with Lloydie video. Today we are looking at question 3 and we're on the June 2023 paper. Got my dog Harry Boy sat next to me. Sorry if you see someone walking past and has a good bark. We've got the sponsors. Grays Hockey are there, living the dream. And then of course more details of the channel. See if we can't get that number up. Do click the subscribe button. So question number 3, Daisy's house is being renovated. The table lists the activities needed for the renovation. Complete the activity network. Just having a think here, I'm going to get my keyboard back out because it's all good, but then the activity network's down there and I've moved it down there. So I can scroll up and down, it'll be fine. In fact, actually, I don't think I need to do too much with it because we've got the details in here. So 0 plus 6 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, so 14 goes into these two cells. 14 plus 6 is 20. We have to take the highest one because E cannot start until C is completed. 20 plus 6 is 26, so all of these are 26. And then again, the highest, 26 plus 6 is 32. And then we get to 38, giving us a late time of 40. Now, I recognise this from the Activity Networks document that I've produced and published on the TES. It is available for a very small fee, probably something like £1. So you can download and then change all the numbers and go through it. So our latest finish time, in order to not delay the project, 38. 38 take away 6 is 32. So all of these have got a 32 on them. And then 32 take away 6 is 26. 26 take away 6 is 20. 20 take away 6 is 14. 14 take away 8 is 6. And again, we always have to take that lowest number when we are going from left to right. We can't start, sorry, when we're going from right to left, we'll do the late times. Let me just think about what I'm saying here. 32 take away 2 is 30. 32 take away 6 here is 26. We have to hit the lowest one because without the lowest number, we would then delay the project. All right, the critical path, we've got A to B. D is the one that has no float. Oh, C is the one that has no float time. 14 plus 6 is 20. So we go to C. E, I normally highlight these for you. A, B, C, E, H, I, J, like so. So E, H, I, J. Okay, complete the Gantt chart for the house renovation. So this is going to just involve me scrolling up and down a lot. So A is at 0, it goes to 6. I'm going to draw this one with boxes. If you have a look at other videos, you may see that I've done them with lines. The last mark scheme I did, which was 2017 paper, wanted it to be boxes, so it just changes its mind. B starts at 6 and goes on for 8. There we go. C, 14, and it goes to 20. I might just want to check that. C does go to 20. Okay, and they're all critical, so they're all just boxes. D is not critical, starts at 14, goes for 4, and then we've got a bit of float time, which is 2. So again, that could finish at 20. There we go. So they could start the project a little bit later on that one. E, 20, and goes on for 6. F starts at 26, goes on for 2. And then it's late times 32. G is going to be similar. we go to 32 as well. Now, H, I think, is the critical one. Yeah, it is. So for H, we're going all the way there. Lovely. I, 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Better check that was 6. Yeah. And then J is 2 from there. And we're done. We get to 40. Bit naughty. They've put that axis over to 50, just in case anybody's gone over the top. And then I recognise what this little box means in the bottom left, bottom right. Sorry, it means that we're at the end. So that's it. 9 marks on those activity network questions. As I said, if you've got a spare pound, find it on the TES Activity Networks for Core Maths. It's a spreadsheet. There are 3 or 4 of these networks that I've made, and you go to what would be the activity table, and you can change the durations, and then all the numbers inside the network on the next tab will change, which means you can build the network, put in your early times, your late times, you can put in your float time, find the critical path, and it will just recalculate whenever you change the numbers, meaning you've got a very big resource for revision. Right, that's question 3, and I'll see you at question 4.